In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to respond to meeting invitations in Google Calendar. Whether you're coordinating a busy schedule or just need to confirm an appointment, Google Calendar is an indispensable tool. Let's dive into the straightforward process of neatly responding to those invitations on your desktop. To begin, you'll want to open Google Calendar on your web browser. If you're signed into your Google account, you can easily find Calendar in the Google Apps menu or simply type Google Calendar into your search bar and click on the link. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, you should see your schedule laid out with events, reminders, and perhaps some invitations waiting for your response. The next step is to look for the event invitation you'd like to respond to. Usually these are highlighted or marked distinctively, often labeled explicitly as invitation, to make them easy to spot among your other events. Look through your calendar for any events that stand out or have a notification waiting for your action. After identifying the event, you'll need to click on it, which will open up the event's details page. This is where you'll find more information about the meeting, such as the date and time, location, and the people who will be attending. Here, you'll also be able to choose how you'd like to respond to the invitation. Google Calendar provides 3 straightforward options for indicating your availability and interest in the meeting: yes, no, or maybe. If you choose yes, you're confirming your attendance at the meeting. Selecting no will decline the invitation and let the organizer know you won't be able to attend. If you're not entirely sure yet and want to keep your options open, selecting maybe is your best bet. This response conveys tentativeness and can be useful if you need to check your schedule or discuss plans with others before committing. Also, there's an option to add a personal message to the organizer. This can be especially helpful if you're declining or selecting maybe, as it allows you to explain your availability or provide additional context, ensuring clear communication. Just find the message box provided when you're choosing your response. Finally, after making your choice and optionally adding a message, you need to click Send to confirm your response. This action will immediately relay your decision to the meeting organizer, helping them keep track of attendance and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently respond to meeting invitations via Google Calendar, keeping your schedule organized and making sure you're on top of all your commitments. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.